Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So this is the part 4 of our complete Docker project playlist, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to deploy on GitHub using the CI/CD pipeline. So this is our whole project. These are the files as you can see here, and we are going to deploy all these on the GitHub actions workflows. So in order to do this, what you have to do is that you have to open GitHub and log on to it. After that, you have to come on to the repositories and create a new repository. I'll name it as Python BG remove. You can name your repository anything you want. So I will add some description, CI/CD pipeline, and I'll create my repository. So you will see this interface right here, and you have to commit your code onto this repository. So our files have been successfully committed onto the GitHub. After that, you have to create a new file named as .github. This will be our folder, and inside it we have to create workflows, and this will be another folder, and inside it we have to create main.yml file. So in this YML file, our CI/CD pipeline code will be written. I will just copy paste this code as I've written this already. You can name it anything. I'll name it as Python BG remove. So this will be the name of our CI/CD workflow, and as you can see here, this is a main branch, so it will always trigger from the main branch. Any changes in the main branch, workflow will automatically trigger in order to run again. Also, it runs on the latest Ubuntu VM. After that, it checks the Python version as 3.8 and creates a virtual environment in which it activates the virtual environments and installs the dependencies using the requirements.txt file. After that, it also prints the debugging statements as well. So this is a very good workflow that I've written. So I will say commit changes. As soon as I hit the commit changes button and come on to this actions tab, you can see here the workflow is running. It is building, so we can expand it to see if our workflow is successful or not. So it is creating the virtual environment and installing all the dependencies right here, and our job is completed. So our build is complete and our project is successfully deployed onto the GitHub. Let's say if our CI/CD pipeline is successful or not. And here's the Python BG remove, and as you can see here, success. You can also see here as well. And if I do some changings here, let's say if I create a new file and say test file, this is test file on to the CI/CD. So let's commit here, and after that come on to the actions, and as you can see here, our GitHub CI/CD has been triggered and it will deploy it as well. So it has also deployed the test file as well, and you can see here build has been pushed successfully. So that's it for the project. If you have any question, you can write it down below in the comment section, and I hope you like this video. If you haven't watched the previous videos, make sure to watch them as well. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll meet you guys next time. Till then, take care.